Today we are preparing and dispense 60 ml of 5% dextrose and NaCl solution. Requirement: normal saline weighing board, dispensing bottle and electronic weighing balance. First procedure: we take a 60 ml of distilled water in a glass cylinder and then dispense in a dispensing bottle. This is a dispensing bottle. Okay. Then first we prepare preparing a solution. We weighing the NaCl and first we calibrate the physical calibration of weighing balance. We can see this is a round circle and the bubble between the round circle. This is a weighing balance calibration, physical weighing balance calibration. First we put in a weighing board in a weighing balance and then tear it. After tearing, we take the NaCl in a weighing board 3 gram. Look, we can weigh the 3 gram of NaCl. How to weigh a 3 gram? This is a calculation which is available in manual. If we taking a 1%, means 1% of 1 gram of NaCl in 100 ml of water. So we take a 5%. What does it mean? 5 gram in 100 ml. So the calculation is given and the 60 ml contain 5% of dextrose. So we took 3 gram only as per the calculation of NaCl, and then we can mix it in a dispensing bottle like this, and we are dispense water in a dispensing bottle. We took a magnetic bead and give a NaCl solution, then mixing it well. Now you have seen this is a clear solution after the mixing of magnetic bead, or we are using a hot plater or magnetic stirrer. After that we can switch off and take out the magnetic bead from the dispensing bottle. Now we are preparing the 5% of dextrose solution and label it by the name of solution and manufacturing date. Okay, this is one virtual labs. You can see the how to prepare and dispense the 5% of dextrose solution.